Frugal people don't do this. Wouldn't it be wonderful if saving money was simple? If there were ways to make living frugally less of a drudgery? There are, in fact, methods for enjoying being fiscally responsible. And no, you will not be required to live in a tent in the middle of the woods. But first, a word about frugality. That phrase appears to be used frequently. To be honest, I prefer being called frugal to being called that cheapskate over there. If you want to know what are the things that frugal people like to avoid, then keep sticking to the video until the last. Now, let us get started. What is frugality? Simply put, frugality is making wise financial decisions. It could be as simple as not going to Starbucks every day, or as extravagant as selling your home and living debt-free in a tiny house you built yourself. If you're expecting me to tell you that the things frugal people don't do are painful, unattainable, or simply ridiculous, you're mistaken. Life is already difficult. Saving money should not be difficult. Take note, it's not at all impossible. This is an excellent place to begin living frugally and saving money. Now let us jump to the specific things that frugal people don't like even a bit. Things frugal people don't do. Shop without a reason. Do you have a habit of getting out of the house with some money without wanting to shop, but you still do whenever you see a shop? No. This is the thing that the frugal people unlike most. Don't shop until you need something very necessary. This is not necessary to always shop whenever you have money in your wallet. This habit will always lead you to the road of destitution. Having a strategy for every dollar. Don't try to get your money to control you. Take charge of your finances. Window shop with your wallet. The next thing is window shop with your wallet. I know whenever you pass by a famous mall or a shop, you always sigh and want to buy from those stores. But I will suggest you never enter the shopping malls or shops with your wallets. First, make some research at home or look around because things do sell at lower prices in the local markets. Like if you want to decorate your house, do some research and look around markets and shops, but without carrying your wallet. Otherwise, you will spend. Once you get proper and final ideas, then take your wallet and go shop. If you are lazy enough to not visit markets, then Pinterest is a great place full of millions of ideas. Pay retail. Hoping to the next one. Pay retail. Do you keep coupons and tokens with you? If not, then please start collecting them from today. They are worthwhile and the favorite hobby of frugal people. You don't have to shop at thrift stores, but there are always coupons and cashback opportunities. If you do any online shopping, you should never pay for shipping and should always check for coupon codes. Check online for free desserts, appetizers, entrees, and more before going out to eat. Instinct purchase. I have a question related to this. Do you buy everything you like? Do you love to do this? I know some people love it out there. Don't buy things bluntly. It is a bad thing. Frugal people hate this idea. I wonder why people think that it is a must to purchase things they like. They even purchase it while they are having it already. This is absurd. Anyways, this is related to having a plan for every dollar. Getting rid of the desire to simply run out and throw money at something shiny. It's not a good idea. Go out to eat without a coupon. I am repeating, start collecting coupons and tokens if you haven't started yet. It will help you a lot and make your life simple and easy. Believe me, coupons can be found everywhere. You may have to look a little harder, but you can find coupons for almost any restaurant you want to visit. Pay for cosmetic stuff. If a girl watches this, I must say she loves makeup and always spend money on makeup and cosmetics. Getting your roots touched up, manicures and pedicures and so on. Anything that is completely superficial is almost entirely unnecessary. There are always coupons available if you really need to get your hair or nails done. Groupon usually has some really good deals as well. And there are always alternatives to everything. Like if you want to care for your skin and you spend a lot of money on skincare items, then stop doing this. Ask your grandmother for skin remedies, and as far as I know, old remedies are more effective as compared to these chemical items. Pay someone else to do something that you can do yourself. Lazy people always like to get their work done by someone else, and frugal people are not lazy. They don't like to hire someone and pay them while they are exceptionally physically fit. Just imagine Paying someone else for your own work, although you are not ill, you don't have any disease. Isn't it weird? You should do your own work by yourself. You must be active. There is no need to pay someone else for doing the dishes. Painting your walls, for example. You got this. Believe me, you can do it if I can do it. Throw something out without trying to make money off of it. The next thing that frugal people hate is throwing out things, although you can make money from them. It is a habit of frugal people that in the first place, they throw out things wisely, and when they throw, they always find ways to make money from them. You can make money from almost everything in your home. But don't throw them bluntly. Think wisely and then throw and find ways to make money from them. Like if you have an old couch, TV, or bookshelf, try to sell it. Have cable. Do you have a cable for your TV? Common. Get up, this is the 21st century, and cable is money-consuming thing. We save more than $120 per month by not having cable. Netflix and Hulu are the best options. You never have to miss out on TV if you don't have cable. Buy bottled water. Answer me honestly, is there any necessary to pay for water? Like people spend on the water, while their country provides them filters. This is the most absurd act expected from human beings. It's not necessary. Simply go get a water filter. This is the one I use and absolutely adore. It removes everything from chlorine to lead. Not to mention the fact that it is better for the environment. I carry a refillable water bottle with me everywhere. None of these things that frugal people do are outlandish. You don't have to wait years and years to see the results of these minor but significant actions. In fact, you can begin immediately and see the benefits of your new frugal lifestyle. You can do it, I promise. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you would have found this worthwhile.